So we're going to start off this video with, one, the realization that I'm no spring chicken anymore, and I don't heal the way I used to. I used to come out of surgery, go into work the very next day as if nothing happened, make it through my day, and be alright. Now it's getting to the point where a week, 2 weeks, well, it's already made it to the week and a half. This is Wednesday. Monday on the 17th was me and my husband's wedding anniversary, which I did still find a way to screw it up. So I'm really glad that we did have the Renaissance Festival the weekend before to celebrate our anniversary, so I didn't fully screw it up. And FYI, this morning, like literally an hour and a half ago, I had my eyes dilated. So this is going to be fun. Hey everybody, it's Country Mouse, and I am back. I am trying to give you as much of my power and energy and positivity so you guys are smiling and, why do I do that? And just having a good old time. So this could get really interesting because I can't see shit. Alright, one too many monsters this morning. Haven't taken my pain meds, so I got a little issues going on, but who doesn't have issues? I mean, if we didn't have issues, then we'd be considered perfect. And no offense, perfect is boring. There's nothing that happens in a perfect person's life. Oh, I have swatches on my hand. Let's get rid of those. Because, yeah, there they are. I've already dug through these boxes like 2 or 3 different times. Normally I have somebody else go through the boxes just to let me know if there's a highlighter or an eyeshadow. They don't tell me what color or what the brand is. They basically just kind of give me, you know, it's a highlighter. So I know not to put on a highlighter on my face. Right now we're barefaced because of something that's in this box that we're going to go through. Oh yeah, we're doing Birchbox. I feel like it's been forever since I've done this. So my brain's like, woo! But the plan is to have a little fun today, get through 6 unboxing videos, which will be put out each day of the week. So hopefully I'll have my monthly subscription boxes caught up before the end of this month, and all the other boxes that have came in this month that I've been digging through and playing in, I'll be able to record hopefully this weekend, so they'll be up beginning of October. You realize October is around the corner. Oh my god, where'd this month go? Alright, so it's a wet, gloomy, cold day outside. And tomorrow I go and have my staples removed, which I'll do a side-by-side picture of that in one of these videos, possibly tomorrow's video, because tomorrow's video is going to be Boxycharm. Don't hold me to it though, because there is a good chance that you might have to watch one of the videos that I record today. But, you know, Boxycharm's got a lot more makeup in it. Today, in this video, we are going to do Birchbox! A lot of people do not like Birchbox. This was my very first subscription, and it introduced me to a lot of stuff, and I like their Birchbox points. That's awesome. It's kind of like going into Ulta and getting Ulta points. You can later on take some money off of there. Sorry, I like a deal, especially if not working right now. I want a deal. So with Birchbox, I always choose both of them. I end up buying a curated box. Well, at this point in time, I'm not even sure which one's which. Usually I mark them on the back so I know. But normally I will get my sample choice, or because you have other options. You have the sample choice, you have where you can get all of them, where it's complete and utter mystery to you. Sample choice is where you get to choose one of the items that they'll like pick out 3 different things and say, choose one of these to have in your box that you want. Or you could actually take a month off, and that money can go towards Birchbox points. So that's really neat. And it's a $10 a month subscription. Yeah, it is samples, but people love Ipsy and love Sephora Play, and they're just samples too. So let's get into this and see what damage I can do without being able to see. This is going to be a fun challenge. Maybe we should do this. Every time I get my eyes dilated, we'll do a makeup challenge. Don't mind the eyebrows. Can't do anything with them. Can't cause any more pain to my body than is already going on. So, they always give you a little card on the back. It always gives you information about what's in your box and full-size prices. So that's always great. So if you're interested in it, a lot of times I will link the Birchbox items down below, and you can see what the price is there, or listen to me when I say them, and then go and choose it from somewhere else if you can find it for cheaper price. I always look for a deal. So far, Birchbox has been good with their deals. Alright, so the first thing we have that I'm pulling out here, this is fun. I've been glad to be coming back to you guys. I don't know. It's nerve-wracking not being able to do this. Alright, so we have a Touch and Soul No Poreblem. No Poreblem? Okay. Primer. Full size be $18. It's lightweight. Overachiever, does it all. Apparently it shrinks pores, blurs out fine lines, and hydrates your complexion. Okay. It looks like this. Has anybody used this before or been interested in it? I think I've heard about this, and we're just going to go ahead and slap this on the face. You know, it looks like that. And we'll go... I'm looking in this mirror like I can actually see what I'm doing. That just sank right in. Wow! What happened? Oh, I should have done side by side. That I can see. Those are some crazy hairs. Alright. I'm looking at a primer that I can't even see. This is awesome! Just have a giggle with me today, guys. Just giggle along. Alright, so we'll put this to the side because I did put it on, and as you know, I usually down below will list any makeup that I put on, and the rest of my makeup, at least 65% of the rest of the makeup will be coming from other subscription boxes. So, you know, you get to see ins and outs. I think it did good. Don't worry, we will be trying this again for the next 2 days. So I'll have a better idea later on. At this point in time, I actually have time to do stuff, so. Alright. And we have Stila Cosmetics Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick and Patina Shimmer. And it says full size price would be $22. Shimmery rose shades, glides on like a gloss, yet lasts like a stain. Should I be putting this on first? I don't have the rest of my makeup on, but in later videos you will see more and more makeup on. Oh boy, look at that. I see some like metallic stuff going on. I'm not sure what you guys see. And I'll probably see it when I go back to edit. They say it could take about 3 or 4 hours before my eyesight comes back. So it's not sticky. Feels like it's drying down though. And I don't know if it's just my eyesight being bad or what, but it looks like it's making my lips do that weird, creasy, old lady, wrinkly look. And that I don't care for. Maybe if I added some gloss on top of it, maybe it would help make it look more moisturized. But right now it looks creased and cracked. The only thing it needs to be creased and cracked is my butt crack. At least that's what my husband says. Alright, next thing we have is R+Co Park Avenue Blowout Balm. Full size be $29. I've tried this before. Don't really care for it for my hair type. So I will put this in the giveaway, and which I think I'm running out of giveaway bags. Ooh, we'll open up another one. We just sit it right there. And we have Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. This works. And it says full-size price would be $29. Maintain a relaxed state as you fall asleep. With this pillow spray packed with soothing lavender and chamomile essence oils. Oh. I got half the lid, okay? Don't judge. It's supposed to help you sleep. That is strong. That is strong, buddy. We will attempt to try to make that work once I get these staples out. I don't want to put any excess oomph on my pillow and get it into the incision, if that makes any sense. And we have, we have Sunday Riley Good Jeans All-in-One Lactic Acid, full size, $105. I've got about 4 or 5 of these little guys, and I don't want to pay $105. So samples are great because a lot of times, I'm over here trying to look to see if I can see where it's at. I'm not sure where it's at in there, but a lot of times these samples do get filled pretty nicely. Some of them, people are stingy. So for a play, you're stingy. And the last thing that's in this box is a bonus. Hum Nutrition Hair Sweet Hair Gummies, full size, be $25. It's got biotin, folic acid, Fotai, B12, zinc, and PABA. What the? And there's 2 vegan berry gummy hearts inside. Okay. I might need that right now since I'm back to having that shaved again. Alright, let's move on to the next one. I'm sorry if I end up making this extremely long. This first video is a little exciting. So, for the next box, I wish I knew which one would have been my curated. And if you try to get the curated one, it won't be there at the beginning of the month. You usually have to wait till about the 7th of the month to go in and order it. I mean, you can actually look to see what all comes in that one. And a lot of times there's like half the box or more looks really good. Either I've tried the products, or I've been wanting to try the products, or I've never heard of the products. So I'm like, yes, send that to me for $10. And if you're a Birchbox person, I believe it's if you're an ace. Or maybe it's when you're just a subscriber. But technically, if you're not a subscriber through Birchbox, this box is going to cost you $15. If you're a subscriber, it's $10. So, saves you a little bit of money just to be a subscriber, I believe. Alright, what we got in here? Ooh. Okay. Avene Cleanance Expert Lotion, full size, be $26. This lightweight treatment. Stimulously moisturizes and mattifies, all while reducing redness and preventing future breakouts. This stuff I've had before, and I didn't use it all over my face. I tried something out. I was having all these little white, they're kind of like a pimple, but they're not. They're something else. But I was having white bumps up underneath my eyes. I used this, and by the next day, those white bumps were barely noticeable. The following day, they were gone. And it was like that until 2 days after I ran out of the stuff. So this stuff is really, really good getting rid of those little white dots. I don't know what those white bumps are, but... And we have number 4. It's a smoothing balm. Full size, be $30. And we've gotten a lot of these kind of products like this before, and this one is Prep Damp Strands with a styling cream, which contains tiny molecules that penetrate each strand to minimize frizz, give touchable texture, and protect against heat damage. I'm not big on the number 4 stuff, So I'm hoping somebody out there is. I've tried so many of their products so far. Just with my hair type, it's not that great. And we got another Deep Sleep Pillow Spray by This Works. So we'll go ahead and put that in the giveaway. Also, I like to give my duplicates to you guys. But if it's a duplicate of something that's really, really incredibly great, kind of like the Sunday Riley one that I just put back in the box, of lactic acid, I will kind of hold on to that for myself. I have a bottle I'm trying to fill up with that. This way I don't have a whole bunch of little samples hanging out. Once it gets full, then anything like that ever comes again, it will go to you guys. Next we have Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. Oh, I have a few of the Kiehl's Recovery Midnight stuff. I haven't got that far yet to be able to use it, but I don't have this. But it is a cleansing oil, and the fact being that oils don't do so well on my face. They seem to break me out so badly. I'm willing to give it a try. Oh. Can't smell it through there either. That's a bummer. And the last thing that's in the box is another Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick and Patina Shimmer. So I will go ahead and it's what's on my lips right now. Has a little stick. Not very bad. But if you're looking at it, you notice it. If you're not looking at it, it just feels like you have lipstick on. I don't know. I think this one would do better with a gloss on top of it, at least for my lips. But I will send this to you guys, and hopefully it finds a good, loving home that enjoys it. Alright, that is all I have for you guys with this Birchbox. I know this was a long video. I was just kind of out there, and I missed yous. I will see you guys in a few minutes in a video, but to you guys, it'll be several days, or the next day, or the following day. You will be seeing me because I don't plan on leaving this room until I have the other 5 boxes unboxed. So I will see you all later. Bye.